before we start the evening, I've got to ask you this. It's a special day for all of us. I'd like to believe that one day is not enough to celebrate the spirit of woman. But now that we are here celebrating Women's Day, what do you have lined up today? What is it that you've done all of today on this special day, and what do you plan to do in the evening?
Our day started from 12 o'clock in the night because today is Mahashivratri, so everyone who was going to gather at the temple, the Abhishek started from 12 a.m. So we were up till 1:30. Then another congregation of all bhakts started coming in great many numbers from 4:30 a.m. So 4:30 a.m. to 8 a.m. it was again taking out everyone, whether people are there or not. Then today we have planned something in the headquarters for this is a good news which I am going to share. We are going to get the new blood into our commissionerate very soon. Trained sub-inspectors of a very young age, they are going to come and join our commissionerate. And it's good to share that out of those 450 odd sub-inspectors, I'm going to get 100 new women sub-inspectors.
Wow.
So today we revamped all our internal organizational deployment and saw where all women have been posted. And we planned that this has to be taken to a new level now. In our department, initially, the women folk across their other thing, whether constabulary, whether sub-inspectors or inspectors, had been relegated to a very cliche job, manning the Mahila Thana, listening to women complaints, and wherever any token of women protesters used to be there, then they used to be sent over there to be shown कि हाँ हमारे पास कुछ महिला पुलिस है. However, Mission Shakti Phase 1, Phase 2 has brought about a sea change. During the last 4.5 years, whatever intake has been taken into UP Police through recruitment, 30% of the intake through the examination, open examination, based purely on merit. 30% intake of the women constabulary and sub-inspectors has been women folk. So now even our bosses have been tasked to see women in khaki in their own department, and they cannot be pushed to a corner. They have to be brought to the fore. They have to be given charges. They have to be taken and into consideration and given responsibilities of a substantial nature. So in a silent way, UP Police is also witnessing a Mission Shakti kind of revolution right now.
Well done.
And that is good to see.
Yeah. Ma'am, I've got to ask you about the challenges.
Evening we have a VC, so my day is jam-packed.
Okay, so all work, no play on Women's Day. But I'm going to ask you about the challenges, ma'am. You've obviously, there are so many firsts that are attached to you. Be it UP's first woman police commissioner, be it, first woman IPS topper, right, 33rd rank. Despite that, how different were the challenges for you as a woman, or were there?
I think no matter where you are, the challenges are always there. Why? Because traditionally we have been a male-dominated society, male-dominated structure, superstructure. And initially when I had come into the services, especially in UP, then it's very difficult to accept a lady boss. So the first thing you teach your juniors is not to take you as a lady boss, but only as a boss.
Yeah.
First, and secondly, you have to constantly be on your toes and keep on proving yourself. The harder challenges, what I have learned through my 25 years old services, is that the harder the challenges are, the more obstacles are thrown into your path and you are able to clear it, so you are giving a befitting reply to everyone, number one. And number two, acceptance keeps on coming. How long are they going to ignore you? Number one, not only for me, for everyone.
All women, yeah.
So how long are they going to ignore you? They will have to accept you and incorporate you into the mainline system. That is what my generation of women officers across India has achieved. We have given acceptance to women in traditionally male-dominated bastion. Acceptance from on the side of common public, acceptance within the bureaucratic norm, and this is what we have paved path. You must see now there are many IPS officers who are women and they are coming up freely with their own sweet will into the services. In my time it used to be there. Women officers senior to me had hardly ever been into the field. And if they had ever been given an assignment, it used to be a very face wash, wall wash type of assignment. However, this is what we have achieved, and I think our junior generation will be kind enough to say a good word for us.
I'm sure you're paving the path for them. A big round of applause for ma'am.